Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a Nyonya Nasi Ulam recipe, or also known as herbs rice. These are the ingredients that you will need. First, you will need to wash and cook the rice. Your rice water measurement is until here. Now I'm going to harvest all the herbs from my small potted garden. This is the Kaffir line leaves, are also known as double line leaf because there are two leaves grown attached to each other. And this is a turmeric plant. This is the wild betel leaf or daun kadok, and we are going to harvest them. This step is optional. I'm going to destem all the leaves of the herbs. You need to wash all the herbs thoroughly a few times until the water becomes clean. It's time to thinly slice all the herbs that we have harvested. Wash the salted duck egg and boil them for about 10 minutes and cut them into small pieces when it is cooked. Going to repeat the steps by thinly slicing the ginger flower or bunga kantan, lemongrass, shallots, and the turmeric root. Heat up a pan and fry the salted fish with some oil until crispy. Then we are going to cut it into small pieces. Add all the ingredients to the cool rice in a large mixing bowl and stir to mix well. And add 1 teaspoon of salt. Ta-da! It's done. Let the taste test begin. Every spoonful are packed with many layers of flavor. Thank you for watching and do subscribe for more upcoming videos, and have a nice day.